up, everybody? How you doing today? So I am going to try and build a custom section in my basement strictly for these robot vacuums and upright vacuums for this channel. So I have a plan, but I also want to know in the comments what you guys want to see after I'm done with this room, if I'm missing anything or what exactly you all want to see. So my idea is basically taken from these posts over all the way to that back wall. I'm gonna have to move all that stuff, but I'm gonna do sections like you see here. This is a thick carpet that some robots have issues cleaning on just because it's so thick. And then I was gonna put next to this, where this concrete is, some regular carpet that any robot vacuum can clean without an issue. So basically you have, I'll make them the same exact size, I'll measure and cut them. But, so you have this thick carpet, regular carpet, and then at this end, I was even thinking about doing some tile, like actually putting down tile here with grout and everything. That way we can see how well a robot's gonna clean on tile. I got wood floor. It may not be this particular one, but the whole section of wood floor. And then maybe at the end there, I can do something else. Maybe get some shag carpet, or I'm not really sure exactly. That's why I'm doing this video. I kind of want to get some good ideas from you guys and what else I should do in this area as far as testing of these robot vacuums and normal vacuums. So I think it's a pretty good idea. No one's really done that yet. And the idea I have, and the reason why, is we'll set up a debris field in this entire section, and we'll start a robot and run it, and it's going to clean the entire section, and we'll see how well it does with each different type of flooring. The thick carpet, it might struggle. Regular carpet's probably going to be totally fine. We'll see how good it is on hardwood floors, and we'll see how good it is on tile with grout lines. So that's my idea. It's going to take me a little while to build it out and everything, because I do want it to look good and everything be even, and then I'll have thresholds in between each carpet piece and then where it meets the carpet and tile and wood. Yeah, that's kind of an idea I've been throwing around for quite some time now. I just haven't had the time to complete the project. You guys can give me some good ideas, and then I can get started on this project. And I think it'd be really good for this channel. So I should be the first one to do anything like this, and I think it'd be very, very good on all these robot tests to see exactly what it can handle, what it cannot handle. So I know, like for instance, I highly recommend the Roomba S9 Plus, and that thing would absolutely dominate on the regular carpet, the hardwood floor, the tile, but it does struggle on this carpet. It'll still clean the carpet and do a good job, but it struggles pretty bad. You'll see when I do the test. It's a big difference between the thick carpet and the regular. So I just want to throw this video out there real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and premiere it. You're probably watching it right now. So please let me know in the comments or in the chat right now what exactly you want to see, what I should add, what I should not do, all that good stuff. So that's gonna wrap up this quick little video, just getting some ideas from you guys. Another thing I'd like to know, do you want me to record me basically making this room, the whole entire setup process, me cutting the carpet, adding the threshold, doing the tile, the wood floor, all that good stuff? Let me know if you want me to actually record all that and do kind of like a series of me building this. That way people get an idea of where it came from and why I'm doing it and whatnot. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. A lot of stuff coming to this channel. I have so many ideas. I just don't have the time to do it all. Thanks again for watching. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one.